Come test drive the 2014 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, tow hitch, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Come see the car for yourself.